how to change payment method on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your payment method on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your payment method on YouTube, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and let's say you have a YouTube Premium subscription and maybe you want to just go ahead and change the payment method on a YouTube Premium. So for that, what you want to do is simply open your browser, and let's say Google Chrome browser, and inside of my Google account I'm already logged into my YouTube, or also known as my Google account. Once I've done that, what you actually want to do is I'll make sure to drop this link below. You just have to go to youtube.com/type in paid_memberships. So this is a direct URL that is going to take you to your memberships page where you can edit your payment information. As I said again, I'll make sure to drop a link below, youtube.com/paid_memberships. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see your premium subscription. Simply just click on the manage membership option. Then after that, just select the edit button next to your existing payment method. After you've done that, you should be able to follow the on-screen instructions and then simply change the payment method. In my case, currently I do not have a YouTube Premium, that's why you're seeing a blank space, but if you have, then you'll most likely be able to see all of the options that are available. This way you can change the payment method on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.